I'm back again. For those who know me, yes, you know my name is Gruffy D, and I got some things on my chest. I just wanna party, I hope you wanna get involved. I know some of y'all got problems, hey, I just wanna get them solved. Give me some of that. Oh, 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 oh. Come on everybody in the place to be, it be me, Mr. Scruffy D. All the people that wanna party, it's about time for you to make your move. And that's how we flow. Yes, you know I didn't even start studio. Check out my figure, I'm real professional. We be international, real professional. You know how we job in the IQ crew. You know how we job with Banana Clan. I rock the mic like nobody else can. Flying over sea and flying over land. It goes oh, 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 oh. Come on everybody in the place to be. Scruffy D, all the people that wanna party, it's about time for you to make your move. And that's how I rhyme. Understand I wanna rhyme all the time. It doesn't really matter cause you know it's not a crime. We can jump a dollar or even make them scholar, yo. The rhyme not for the people that don't wanna jump. That's how we rock it cause you know the beat starts to bump. We wanna rock around town because you know how we get down cause we ain't no clown. We go oh, 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 oh. Alors maintenant, vous allez chanter un peu avec nous. Est-ce que vous êtes prêts pour chanter avec nous? Est-ce que vous êtes prêts à chanter avec nous? Alors c'est très simple. Les paroles sont oh. Voilà. Et donc on le dit à contre-temps. Alors écoutez bien nos super choristes qui vont vous le montrer. Attention. On va comme ça. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, 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 oh. Ah, il faut encore baisser le son. Break it down some more. Alors les gars, on vous entend pas, donc vous chantiez plus fort. Donc nos super choristes vont le refaire encore une fois. Attention, écoutez bien. Oh, 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 à vous. Allez tous ensemble.